This comic book, The Protectors, The Lovers. I'm going to be making these little AI comic books for some fun, for some storytelling, and for you to enjoy. The Lover Knights were called to protect the planet from these evil, monstrous creatures. They look side to side. They look at each other. They prepare for battle. They slash. They dice. They take the monsters one by one. But they're being overwhelmed. The Lover Knights are being overwhelmed, so they decide to put weapon to weapon, creating an intense explosion, incinerating the evil monsters. Don't forget to check out my kids' books that are located on Amazon and on Kindle. These are two kids' books and they are already self-published. So take a look at them, and if you have Kindle, you get them for free. They look around, seeing the dead monsters everywhere. They have succeeded their mission once again. They remove their helmets from victory. They decide this is it. This is where they should return home after a long, distant battle. They feel bad for leaving the planet in ruins, but they know that it's not their job to rebuild, but to protect. They climb into their cockpit and start to take off from the ground. But they wonder, how are these monsters appearing on so many planets? But that's not their job to decide. They only go to protect. If you guys are getting valuable information from this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe so I can keep pumping out this amazing content. Now let's jump back into the video, guys. They fly up through the clouds, watching the destruction below. They send a signal for their teammates to come and help rebuild the planet. But right after the signal is sent, they are attacked, ambushed. Could these be the people who brought these monsters to this planet? Hopefully the signal made it out so they can have some reinforcements.
Please don't forget me.
Thank you guys for watching to the end of this video. I'm going to keep making these comic styled stories to be posting every week so you guys can enjoy my storytelling, and hopefully you guys can create some stories of your own. Let me know in the comments below how you liked it. Thank you guys, and may the force be with you always.